Any pain?
No.
That's awesome. No pain from the rib harvested area also?
It was not taken.
They have not removed the sutures yet?
They have removed the sutures.
But no pain, right?
No.
Okay, that's cool. So, sorry. Okay, let's just need to clean this a little bit. I'm gonna show you the. Can you see?
No.
Yeah, and you want to look up a little bit so we can show you the symmetry. Can see that? You can see in the mirror as well, so you can see both.
Yeah.
This was the main issue, right? It was bent, the tip was really broad. So all of that is being fixed if you look up. And there's a front view. So you see this hump has gone. We made it straight, tip has been made narrow, and there's still swelling.
Yeah.
It does look like it's a little bit too longer, but a little long nose will look nice only. It'll take some time for it to settle down, don't worry. Right? That's the side front view. And you can see here now. If you look like that, you see that?
Yeah.
You want to look at the mirror as well? Konja mari unga. Look at the mirror.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, so there's also swelling there, so it'll all come down. And then the asymmetry has been corrected, tip has been narrowed. And it will take a while for the final thing to settle in. It'll look very natural. Give it 1 month. You happy? And you?
Yeah.
Awesome. Where's your dad? He didn't come.
No, he had work, so he went back.
When do you go back?
After I got discharged.
No. When do you go back? You wouldn't. Some of the things, right? Today itself. Oh, okay. So remember, it's not fully healed.
Yeah.
Because there's a lot of bony work done. This bone takes time to heal in. So you have to take care for at least 2 to 3 more weeks, totally 1 month after surgery. 2 small dots, can you see? Black?
Yes.
Those are stitches. This team, they will take it off.
Okay.
One thing. Then they'll clean this up. But don't touch the nose. Don't put specs. Be careful. No even gentle trauma for about 1 month. And if you're coming this side after that, please come. Nice to meet you anytime later on as well. Also, the final result, give it 3 months or 2 months. Nobody will know even after 2 weeks, but for you to get that thing and this thing swelling, to be able to pinch the nose will take a little longer. All right?
And doctor, we wanted a certificate for college.
That will do.
2 weeks.
They can give you straight away. You could have actually asked that even before the splint removal too.
I thought it's supposed to.
No, they will give it to you. No, they'll give it to you.
Okay.